would.
Wood shake roof.
Yeah. It had. Okay, did you ever see anybody throw any boards?
Throw them?
Fro?
Yeah, with a.
Oh, no.
Fro, I have not.
Well, I've got the stuff, and I've got anything in the world you need, but I don't know how to work it. So I first covered that with them boards like that, you know, split them, you know, that deal. But I didn't know too much about it, and they rotted off, so somebody come by and. But that one-piece living room, that's what they lived in, raised a large family. Now, when you say large, that's a big word, you know, that could be quite.
Yeah.
I'm a young.
Scrapes up there, scrapes that tree. He's letting them other daddy bears, this is my domain, you know, and we ain't having no competition.
You ever seen him?
Nope, I ain't wanting to.
Okay, so over the years, Bub, have you had to do anything at all to the rocks? Or
Okay, I don't care what you built. I was sitting on the porch there one day. There's 3 side-by-sides pulled up here, and a Jeep pulled up over there, wasn't even close to it. And you see that difference in that fence right yonder?
Yeah.
8 foot of that fence just fell out.
Yeah,
Wasn't even anybody close to it. Been there 100 years. You know, because eventually, until where you don't think a tree growing, they're going to start scooting the fence and making it, you know, timber. Yeah. Where you going when you leave here? You go up there at that waterfall, you turn up the Woods Mountain, they worked over there, that's not so bad. But I've been down a few years ago, and God, it was bad was me bragging on it.
I will tell you they have fixed it, and I'm sad about it.
That's a pretty cool article.
Yeah.
We enjoy the challenge of that rough stuff, but
The best trail there was right over here, up there
The
where the old boy
switchbacks.
put the gate.
Okay,
Cross.
yeah, that's it. Okay.
I wish Bub would buy him out and open that back up. Oh God.
I said, hey, where's that guy making fun of Arkansas at? But I couldn't find him then.
Dude, hey, listen, Kansas, go to West Texas. You just have it, you can keep it.
I mean, you can leave here and go into not too far, Oklahoma out there, to Texas out here. And you can just go for miles and miles. New Mexico, Arizona, Southern California. It's just nothing.
Bub said he'd been to Rifle, Colorado working in the timber.
Oh, really?
Yep. We left the highway at Silt, across I guess it was the Eagle River, and we went up on Divide Creek, way up there, and you didn't know you was going up the mountain, but all of a sudden it was snow, you know, and it hadn't been down there, you know. Okay, we was working in the woods, and every once in a while you'd see an old snowshoe rabbit. I bet he weighed 30 pounds. That's
huge.
the biggest thing I ever seen in my life. And he survived there.
He's the only guy that can get around on top of that snow when it gets deep enough.
And so sometimes these little old chipmunks, they'd get in the feed, you know, and they'd spit it out. It looked like they spit out more than they was. But when we seen a weasel, we didn't see no more chipmunks for a while.
Okay.
They had found a hole. You know, people will steal a chainsaw bad. It's like a gun. He had some that, man, I mean, you know, 40-inch bar, you know. And boy, they had enough. If you didn't have to handle them much, but they would just grind through that, you know. You didn't have to give them time to it. They just go through it.
They knew how to sharpen them too.
Well, I just wanted you to see this, so.
Well, no, I appreciate it, Bub.
I'm glad you did.
Down right here.
One of these places here,
Yeah.
and you can walk a mile and slide down the next bank and walk back.
I think I'll pass today. We're still on Bub.
Oh, that's good.
He said he had about 600 acres here.
Oh, wow.
So this here, see, this needed to have been cut, you know, years ago and thinned. Should have had 2 thinnings by now, so it's never had its 1 thinning yet.
I like it.
So
She's a.
that all depends on how much competition you got.
There you go.
We're in the race. Now we're in a race. I have 4 competitions. 4 competitions.
Well, you got some poor competition out here.
He was born the same year my mom was, 1934.
Really?
Wow.
Some of them too big to go in the wagon, aren't they?
There'll be a lot here. Of course, I was used to it younger.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna pick that up and put it on the rock fence. I can't even turn it over.
These rock fences amaze me.
They had to just gather
This
them
goes
locally.
for probably half a mile like this.
Wow.
Sometimes it's high, and sometimes the bluff don't need it.
Wow.
But I'm gonna show
No.
it to you 'cause very few people see this.
No,
Yeah.
no telling. I bet you this used to be 3 or 4 feet high on this side, and over time it's just filled in.
Well, some of them are there and got high here, further on down there, a little higher. You see down there, it's higher, a little higher down there. This
Okay.
one has a ladder. So up here, maybe he didn't even have to have it there. Enough bluff.
So when they're building a fence, or were they moving them off the place so they could fly? Doing both?
No, doing both. But girls, ain't too many people ever seen this.
Yeah. I can
can
imagine.
see
I
why.
brought you off the beaten track.
Yeah, I've never been here nor intended to come here in my life.
This all your land?
Yeah.
How far do you go on this way?
Oh, probably just half a quarter here.
It's a
half
hike right down to the cabin from here, isn't it?
Yeah.
But now we got off up there and got on the government a little bit when we got up there. and
Okay.
Turned a little circle there. I had to get on the government. I need to go over here and push that up and make that where I don't have to go on the government because they're not easy to deal with.
No,
I'd say they're not.
they don't be here very many days though.
Well,
Bud, we're gonna get out of here and let you get back to work, man.
I wanted to see that, and I wanted to, you know.
well, we're
see,
glad.
You know, that's new country.
Oh, yeah.
There won't be another person see that.
No,
God knows tell, you know.
I'm glad you took us up
Yeah.
there.
we'll have to go again sometime.
Yeah,
Next time
Next
we're here.
time it might be a little easier, and if there's a little more traffic, it'll be a little better around here.
Yeah,
Well, she said we could bring some
nippers,
loppers,
loppers.
pruning
and-
shears, and clear some of that brush back a
Okay.
little bit.
Right inside both sides of that door, I got some nails there. And I will hang a pair of pruners, a wore out saw or something, or axe or something. Somebody steals them as fast as I put them up there.
Are you
It's all
serious?
wore out stuff.
Oh
And,
my gosh.
and this axe, it had to be put on there when it was made, you know. It was molded there's some names on it and stuff. I mean, it was antiques and it just escaped there several times, but somebody got it the other day.
Oh, man.
But
I hate
and
that.
that kerosene lamp in there,
Yeah.
somebody can give me one of them, 2 weeks it's gone.
You're kidding.
Somebody give me another one, 2 weeks it's gone. Somebody's given me that and I broke that globe and it's been there 10 years.
Oh, wow.
Somebody said, I'll bring you a globe. No, don't you bring me no globe.
Yeah, it won't stay here.
Take it home with you when you go home of an evening.
Well, a lamp's hard to take, you know. gotta
Yeah.
pack 'em
Yeah.
up. You know, you can take a lamp and pack it and put paper over there, touch that wick. And you'll come back later and it's ciphered all the
Hmm.
kerosene out of it.
Huh.
Well, you guys ready to go?
Well,
Have some lunch?
Well,
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll see you again.
Really nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet
I still got something banging and clanging over there.
I don't know what it is.
You could bring the body up here, couldn't you?
Do what?
You could bring a body up here, nobody'd ever know.
And had circle saw, you know, and like I seen up all my life, you know. And we was skidding logs a team, you know.
Nowadays they haul them logs out by helicopter.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know.
We were up at Alamosa, and they were not Alamosa, Monarch, and they were hauling them around with a helicopter. They pick up about
Make
8
sure
or
to
10
clean
logs
this
in a
off so
bundle
you can-
and fly them with a helicopter.
See the rock
My
better.
grandpa worked in the woods up in Oregon, and he brought home a one-man
I
crosscut
love pine trees.
that you drove into a tree from the bottom. It had a little wheel that had a spike about that long. You drove that in the bottom of that tree. One man would saw that tree in two. It's about 7 foot long.
Yeah.
He's always bragged. He said, wasn't very many men big enough to run that one saw.
Okay.
You
We'll-
go that way and we'll look the other way.
Oh gosh.
I was telling Bub we were down here 20 years ago or so, and Lonnie Dutton with me. Said up there, and there's about a 5-foot black snake crossing the road right up there. Lonnie said, Pat, you ever catch a black snake? And I said, no, I ain't starting today.
Exactly.
And he jumped out and he got a stick and he pinned that thing's head down and he reached down and he picked it up. That thing started wrapping around his arm like that, and then it started peeing and crapping.
All over his arm.
Snake did?
That
Yeah.
snake peed
never-
and crapped all over his arm. And he's like, oh God, that stinks. And I said, now what are you gonna do? You know?
Are you kidding?
Nope. Here, look at this here. I've never seen one this color, but this may be just opening up.
Kind of reddish.
Yeah. This one may not be bloomed out good yet, but this one out in the sun, she's in full
No, you
bloom.
can't smell this one.
Get your nose up there to that.
Oh, that smells so good.
What would you expect maybe a 91-year-old man to be? I don't get it.
sucked in to the mud.
Which way would you like to winch it?
Well, what we came to the conclusion is it is so sucked in there that nothing was pulling it from this end that we might need to have to drag it back. I mean, we
Will
put,
that not tear anything up here?
You okay?
I don't